If you have installed 3DCoat for the first time, or perhaps you're making a fresh installation and you notice that the text in your UI is a bit large, I want to show you the steps you can take to change that to your liking. And also want to show that you can come over to the tool panel and click on the T just above the panel to make quick adjustments. So each time you click on that, you are cycling between the different options. So you have icons only, and then larger icons, and even larger, text only. So a little bit larger text and icons, and then smaller text and icons. So again, you can just continue clicking until you get the configuration that you're happy with. Now let's look at scaling both the text and the icons down if that is what you prefer. So we'll go to the Edit menu, click on Preferences, and then come over to the Theme tab. And here in the top section where it says Font Size, we want to leave the auto setting and choose something more like medium or large. So I'll click on medium and then hit the Apply button, and immediately we notice the difference. Okay, and that is really all there is to it. So I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.